Want fast access to great ideas on making money online? Check this out. It sounds a bit crazy that you can make money online if you've never done it before. But, it is simpler than you might imagine, as long as you are educated. This guide has information that you can use to accomplish that. See to it that you are on the lookout for scams online. There may be many ads for making money online, but you need to keep an eye out for those that are a waste of your time. Always do your research and try to find reviews from other users to figure out what is a good opportunity and what isn't. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. There are several sites that pay you for giving your opinion about an upcoming court case. These sites ask you to read through the material that will be presented at a legal proceeding and give your opinion on whether the defendant is guilty or not. The amount of pay will depend on the amount of time it will take to read through the material. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Making money online is something you can't just do overnight. You have to stick to your plan and remember that perseverance will get you through the tough times. The harder you work at it, the more you will make, so steel your determination and keep watching video like this one to learn more. There are many opportunities for online tutors in subjects ranging from mathematics to language. Possible students are many and varied. You might teach your native language to people living in other countries via VoIP. Another possibility is to tutor school children, high schoolers or college students in a subject in which you specialize. You can work with an online tutoring agency or set up your own website to begin. Hopefully you can use this video to help you when it comes to generating an income on the internet. There are quite a few things you can do to make money, and now all you have to do is put the tips you went over here to good use. Be patient, and the income will follow. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.